1,000 na sinabi ko, this only concerns Bogo City, no? Kasi ang nangyari naman, wala tayong evacuation camps, no? People are just in open spaces, no? Kasi wala naman talagang na-activate. I think isa lang evacuation center ang na-activate, no? But the rest, they're just staying in open spaces. At isa rin yan sa ina-assess natin. Kaya nga, we need to know within the day or dapat before noon time, ilan pa ba yung dapat hindi pwedeng bumalik sa bahay nila because that will dictate kung ilang evacuation center ang i-manage natin for the next 24 hours. Kasi ang critical po dito, meron pa pong aftershocks tayong ini-expect. Yun po ang advice sa atin ng PHIVOLCS that we have to consider. So, importante po ma-assess natin yung mga residences natin. May tips naman kami binibigay, no? You can do it on your own, but of course, kung gusto mo ng engineer or expert, yun lang. Ang priority lang kasi ngayon ng LGU is search and rescue muna, no? So kung kaya secondary na yung pag-manage ng camp kasi so far wala pa tayong camp na minamanage. Yung Coast Guard kasi meron ng initial doon, no, yung na base sa Cebu. Yung galing, I think one is coming from Cagayan de Oro, may sarili silang barko. Darating din within the day yon sa Cebu with their dogs, no. Yung galing Manila ay transport na natin via C-130. So nandun na rin yan sa Cebu.